Hello everybody, today we make sausage frittata. It's everything this ingredient for the garden. The only thing of the sausage, it's Italian hot sausage. And we got fresh basil, eggs, we got shallot, zucchini, from tomato, and I got my oil baby hot pepper, mozzarella, and the sausage. Okay, now we start to chop everything for the frittata. And we start with the shallot. And this we cut like that, really thin. Okay, now we put right on this little dish over here. And this shallot give a really good taste for the frittata. Okay, now I cut my oil baby. This is really spicy, really hot. Okay, now we gotta do the zucchini. I cut over here, cause this is more big than this size. And we do slice like that. And after you make a cube, and we slice, and we cut the same all the zucchini cube, just like that. Okay, now we start to prepare everything. Let's put the gas on this pot, and I put oil. Not too much oil, because I gotta do the sausage. And the sausage, everybody know it got a little fat. And we warm up the pot, and we put the sausage right over here. Okay, good. And one dish, it's out. And look at the sausage. I do the sausage like this. When you do the frittata, oh, you catch one of the pieces in your mouth, it's so delicious. This one I was in Italy, boy, the frittata. We was do the frittata on the farm. Everything you pick up of the farm, what you got. And the eggs. The chicken, you pick up the eggs, nice fresh eggs. Oh, when it was fresh eggs, I was in Italy. I make the needle, one side a little hole, and the other side a little hole. After I take the shell, and I throw it like this. I say, oh, everybody's scared. It was a thing. It was a thing inside the eggs. The eggs, it was already gone. Okay, now the sausage is good, and now we put the shallot. And we lower the gas a little bit. I don't want to burn nothing. Okay, now the shallot, you see, when you cut a nice thin, right away the shallot is be good. And now we got my oil baby hot pepper. Now I put my oil baby hot pepper. But if you don't like, it's okay. No put it. Okay, now the sausage and the shallot ready, and now we put the zucchini. All right, we saute a little bit of the zucchini, not too long, and we give a nice. All right. Okay. Now this is ready, and we turn the gas, and we put right over here in this dish, and this you gotta cool off a little bit. Now this is the same pot I gotta use it for the frittata, okay? I'm not cleaning, not this, you gotta be like this. And we put right back over here. Okay, now we start to crack the eggs. I do it my way, okay? You know, this is for the house. I told the people, you know, you can make frittata in the house. You go to the restaurant, it's okay, I don't know nothing. But I crack the eggs. A lot of time you find the eggs you call stink eggs. And I do like this. I crack, it's good. And you put right in the bowl over here. And I do like this, all the eggs, the same thing. Look. I want to make sure that the eggs is good. When you crack the eggs, because it's not good, you smell it right away. It's a really bad smell. Okay, I got everything. Okay, I crack all. Okay, now we put salt. I put a little extra salt. The zucchini, everything gets no salt. Only the sausage we got a salt a little hot. Now I put a little black pepper. Yeah, I want to scramble this really, really good. Okay, now we got mozzarella. Okay. And we give a nice mix of the mozzarella. Okay, now we put all the rest inside and we mix all together. Good. And I got the oven on. It's a 400 degree. Okay, now this is all mixed. And we put a little drop of oil, not too much. I got the zucchini already was a saute with the sausage. And we warm up a little bit. And now we put everything on this pot. All right, now we leave it stay over here. Cause when it start to boil, we gotta go and put in the oven. Okay, now it start to bubble, and look this, all the way around, look really, really good. And now it go in the oven. It's on 400 degrees. And make sure they use the pots for the oven can no stick. This pots is no stick. Because you use some pots that stick the frittata, it comes the frittata like scrambled eggs. But this is gotta come so beautiful when it's cooked. Okay, now let's check my frittata. We take out. Okay, this was like 8 minutes in the oven. And now we got some of the tomato. And I want to put right over here around my frittata. It looks so beautiful. Okay, now you go back in the oven. And let's stay now with the tomato to cook a little bit of the tomato I was put on the top. Okay, now the frittatas are ready to go. Oh, look how beautiful. Huh? Okay, now let's taste the frittata. Oh, okay. And look how beautiful it looks. Nice. All right, a little basil. It's really fresh, the basil like this. I gotta taste my frittata. Look how beautiful it looks. Really nice. Really good taste. Spice, you can taste my oye baby, but the basil, the tomato, the sausage, and the shallot, everything come out good with the zucchini. Salute e chin chin to everybody. I hope somebody make this frittata. It's really, really good. Chin chin e salute, and we see next time. Chin chin.